Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox my second micro brand purchase. My first micro brand purchase was for the Nodus Contrail Arctic White Dial. I did an unboxing video as well as a full review video, I guess a few days ago. So if you're interested to look at that watch, please click the link in the top right corner of this video. And in this video, I'm going to take a look at another micro brand that I was contemplating to get for a while, but finally I got it. So let's jump right in. Okay, so this is the watch box. So let me just roll it so that you can see the brand. Yes. It is my first Dan Henry watch. It's the 1970. The model is their Compressor style dive watch. I've been really contemplating to get this for a while, so I'm not sure, whether should I buy one or not. Until at one day I saw that stocks are really running low, and before they even put like sold out, they have sort of like this add to wait list kind of thing, and I added my email there. Then after a few days, I saw that that link is no longer available and it's marked as sold out. So I thought, okay, maybe I just like missed out the period. But somehow a few days earlier, I received an email from Dan Henry asking me if I'm still interested to get one, as they still have a few more pieces of stock. And yep, so I decided to get one. So let's open up. Right, so it comes with a fabric watch roll. Let's unroll watch roll. Okay, there's some desiccant. Put that in. Right, so this is the watch, and I guess this is the warranty card. Yeah, 1 year international warranty. Okay, so this is the watch. This is the Dan Henry 1970. It's a 40mm case diameter. The orange dial ran out of stock, and they only have this gray dial, a few pieces of this gray dial left. We'll change perspective and move on a little bit closer to the watch. Alright guys, I'm back with the watch. Okay, so far I find the watch quite nice. I've seen a few comments and videos praising this brand, especially this 1970, and I find that yes, the machining, if you can see, there is a very nice separation between polished, brushed and polished, and seems okay for the price. And there was some debate on the crystal because it's a dome mineral crystal that is coated with sapphire rather than being a full sapphire crystal. And there is also an anti-reflective coating. I couldn't remember if it's on both side or the underside, but I will make sure that I find that out in the full review of this video. And at the back, there is this octopus with a dive helmet. Let's peel off the sticker here. Okay, limited edition. So this piece, it's number 1517 of a total of 1970 pieces. Okay, it has a 200-meter water resistance. And yes, I think the case back is very nicely done. There is a very nice 3D effect on the octopus. And it comes with a quick release Tropic rubber strap. It's okay, it's not stiff, but it's not as soft as some of the better ones, I guess. And there are two crowns. One is for the internal bezel. The action is smooth, it's not ratchety or anything, but it's not really like super loose that you can just accidentally move it around. And this one is supposed to be a screw down crown, if I'm not mistaken, because this is the 40mm version. Yes, it's a screw down crown. So inside here it's NH35, Seiko NH35. It's hand windable. Okay, and then it's supposed to be hackable. Yep. So let's put the time around. Okay, so it's not midnight, so I can change the date and see. And it has a quick set date. Right. Well, again, my only complaint on the date wheel is that it's a white disc rather than a black one. I wish they went for a black disc so that it blends better with the dial, or maybe just do away with the date so that the dial will look more symmetry. But yep, I guess you couldn't get everything you want, right? And as can be seen, there is a very nice profile on the inner bezel. It's not just printed. As you can see, all the minute markers are raised, and you know, even like the minutes like 30, 20 and 40, they are all raised. Very nice detail. And the loom, I'm not sure what loom they are using, but it's yellowish in color. It's to give it like a more vintage look. But the dome crystal does make this watch a little bit more reflective than I wanted it to be. But I guess it's still quite legible due to the presence of the anti-reflective coating. Right, so basically that's it for this unboxing video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It does help me a lot. And please hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on the full review when the video is out. And you can also follow me on my Instagram at gfw_watch for more watch pictures. Till then, I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.